Cool. All right. Let's get started.
All right. I answered the first few questions and then I got stuck.
Okay. Yeah, I've answered some of them too.
Well, my computer just like froze. Load. I'm trying to bring up the quiz. It's just taking forever. Here we go. Okay, question 3.
Okay. I said the second to last one.
That's what I got too.
So B1 is equal to 0, or yeah, B1 is equal to 0, and then B1 is not equal to 0.
Uh-huh.
And why is that?
Just from the reading.
Yeah.
What I got.
Oh. Oh, sorry. Didn't know you were doing anything.
And then for number 4, I said the third option.
That's what I got too.
I have a quick question. In the reading, are there a bunch of like money symbols all over?
No, that happened to me one time though. I just had to refresh the page a few times and it like finally showed up.
That's what I was wondering, because I was like, I don't
Yeah,
think.
that happened to me one time. I was like, how am I supposed to do this?
Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, that was so weird.
Yeah.
Okay. The residual is calculated for each data point. So you have one residual for every observation in the data set.
Are you still in 4?
Yeah, sorry. What did you guys think it was?
The third option is the difference between the observed value y.
Okay. And then question 5, a plot of residual supports using linear regression.
So I put the first one.
That one would make the most sense. I was actually confused because it was like talking about how there like shouldn't be a pattern or something like that, and I was like,
Right.
But if it's normal,
if linear regression is appropriate, then the residual plot will show no patterns and will consist of random scatter.
Well, okay, that would make sense if it's normally distributed then.
Yeah, I got confused by that too at first. I was like,
So it supports linear regression when they're all positive? No.
They look normally distributed.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then number 6. Or do you have a question about 5?
Nope. I'm just opening up the math self-efficacy thing. What statement best describes the residuals?
I said they form a linear pattern.
That's what I said too.
Which Excel file do you plug these into?
Quantitative inference procedures.
Okay. Linear regression. Is that the one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. And then which do we do, the male or female for X or Y? Which one?
It was, you do the confidence variable as X and then the score as Y.
Oh, okay.
At least that's what I.
Yeah, it says in above question 6 to do the confidence variable as the explanatory and the score as the response.
Okay. Okay, so all right, I just plugged them in. So they form a linear pattern because they're kind of clumped together. And is that what we're saying?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Based on the QQ plot, what can you say about them? That they're fairly normal.
Yeah, that's what I put.
That's what I put too.
Okay. Create a scatter plot.
This is where I got confused.
Which of the 5 assumptions about are satisfied about the data?
So I know for sure it's the first 3 because in the reading there's like a little chart thingy
Oh yeah.
that has like requirement how to check in and what you hope to see. And so for if there's a linear relationship between X and Y, you have to have a scatter plot and a residual plot. And so we have those two. And then for the normal error term, if it's normally distributed, you have to have the QQ plot, which says that we have that also. And then
So wait, what's the difference between a scatter plot and a QQ plot?
I didn't know the answer to that.
good question. I don't know.
Because I thought I made a scatter plot and then it looked the same as my QQ plot. So
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're pretty similar.
All right, that's fine. Don't think too hard about it.
first one.
I was just curious. So for the last 2 options for question 8, the X values are measured without error. The observations are independent.
Those true?
No, I don't know. Are we keeping those not marked?
So that's why I don't know, because in the chart thingy it says cannot be checked directly for both of those 2 things.
Right.
So then will we just assume that they're right if the other 3 are?
Oh,
X's are known constants. And then knowing the value of one of the y's tells you nothing about any other points. So I guess we should just not mark them for now because we can't check them directly.
Okay.
and then
Number 9. I got 12.695.
Yeah.
yeah, I got that too.
Okay.
Same.
For 10, I got 10.674.
Yep.
Ooh, oh, 10.674.
Yeah.
And then 14.715.
Mm-hmm. And then we would reject the null hypothesis because the p-value is less than the standard, the level of significance.
Right.
Okay.
So if we reject it, it means that there is sufficient evidence.
There,
yeah, there's sufficient evidence
to conclude that the slope of the regression line is not 0?
Yeah.
Okay. Because it always has to do with the alternative, not the null.
Right.
Okay.
okay.
Mm,
Next question.
I think it would be head length.
The head length is dependent of the body length.
Oh wait. No, body length.
Body length is dependent.
Yeah, because the body length depends on head length was used to predict body length. Yeah, body length, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, yeah.
I read that wrong, but
I didn't even read the top part, and I was like, well, are we just going for
we're just gonna guess 50 out of 50.
So the dependent one is the explanatory or the response
the
variable?
response?
Response, yeah. So it would be body length because
Yeah.
So so the body length is X, right?
no,
Body
body length is
Y.
Body length is Y.
Yeah.
And the head length is X.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
I still think that.
okay. 15. Oh, check 9. Did you guys get 0.443?
I'm still putting it in.
Sorry.
No, that's fine.
So wait, just to be sure I did this right, I put for Y the body length.
Yeah.
Okay. So for the margin of error, let me quick calculate that out.
You got wait a minute. The margin of error.
Yeah.
What did you get?
I got 0.443.
8.103 minus 7.218 divided by 2.
Mm-hmm.
0.443.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
what I
yeah. And then
7.218 for the lower bound and
yes.
8.103 for the upper bound.
right.
Yeah.
So
19, I think, is the first one.
we are 95% confident that the confidence interval will contain the true value of B1.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Wait, the first one?
Yeah.
Okay.
that sounds right to me.
Do you want me to submit it first?
Sure.
Sure.
We only missed one. And it was number 6.
Oh, weird.
Yeah, that's fine. Why would I?
Just showing you. Number 6, you said?
Yeah.
Computer reviews for the days.
I wonder if it was the one that says the residuals are between about -40 and 25.
I can try it.
Okay. Do you want me to read you guys the answers?
I can just take pictures of them.
Okay.
Yeah, it is. The residuals are between about -40 and 25 for question
I
6.
didn't even bother looking at the numbers. I was like, no.
I know, I didn't either. I was like, yeah, whatever.
Yeah, other than that, we got them all right.
Okay.
Sweet.
Perfect.
All right.
So we're good then?
Yep.
All right, I'll submit the group thing.
Do we have anything else for the
The PowerPoint thing is due, I think, on like Saturday.
It's the final one this time. I think it's like my portion.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Hold on.
Okay. Do I need every piece that everyone else has submitted?
I think we should all just like email each other what we have, like our parts.
Okay, yeah. Because I think I have to turn in like the final thing this weekend. So if I just get everyone's parts emailed to me, then
Yeah, so the PowerPoint presentation is due April 7th.
yeah, that's this
Saturday.
weekend.
Yeah, okay.
I can send out a text later in the week asking everyone to just email it to me.
Okay.
Put it all in one thing. And finish.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
All right.
Guys, tomorrow?
Yes.
So tomorrow we're meeting at what time? 2:15, 2:15, 2 o'clock?
Yeah. I can meet on campus then.
Yeah, same. Because I'll be getting out of class at 1:45, so.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right. And we'll meet in the library, or not the library, the MC again?
Yeah, that works.
Cool.
Good.
All right. See you guys there.
Bye.
Bye.